who started this awareness because his daughter was diagnosed with rare disease. And if you know or do not know, I want to tell you that a rare disease takes 7 years to get diagnosed. And then, they say it is not curable. It starts with one phase and then later on they start with stretcher and then go into wheelchair phase. We have one of the rare disease patients who will be coming and addressing us later. He's not here yet. So just to brief, ORDI is Organization for Rare Disease India, is a national umbrella organization representing the collective voice of all patients with rare diseases in India. So on behalf of the entire team, before I go ahead, I would like to give my sincere thanks to Dr. Enepoya Abdullah Kuni, who is the Chancellor, and Dr. Mohammad Farad Enepoya, who is the Pro-Chancellor of Enepoya Deemed to be University. I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Ashwini, Director Outreach and Extension, who has been really outstanding with giving all the support that she can give through volunteers, because without volunteers we can't have a good event. Then support staff, non-teaching staff, everyone who is involved for this particular cause. And whoever is here right in front of me, you are here for a reason. You are here to raise awareness, and thank you so much for coming here today. Please give a round of applause for yourself. And also, nonetheless, we would like to thank Mangalore City Police for extending their enormous support to free off one side of the road, and who are also here. We have Alva sir here, who has come here for 10K run. I will also brief you about all the 7K and 10K details before the flag off. We would like to thank our main sponsor, Roche, co-sponsor Sanofi, associate sponsors AstraZeneca, Novo Nordisk and Novartis. Also, we have few initiatives that has been raised just recently come forward with ORDI, that is Save My Life and Home for Shelter. So what these two initiatives they do is they bring in patients. Home for Shelter is to those patients who are not able to get enough support, or with the absence of the primary caregivers, they extend their support for the patients anytime whenever it is needed. And Save My Life is also an initiative that they have come up with for those who are not able to work after a certain period of time. So there are patients who will not be able to make their living. For such patients, Save My Life is one of the organizations that has been tied up with ORDI, who extend their monetary support as part of income for those rare disease patients. All right, moving ahead. Namrata ready? We'll have a small Zumba session, but before the Zumba session, I would like to call our race ambassadors, Dr. Anupama Rao and Dr. Sharath, to come forward onto the stage and give a slight brief about rare disease, why they are here and why they are representing here as rare ambassadors. Thank you. Over to you both.
Of Race for 7, organized by ORDI, that is Organization for Organization of Rare Disease of India. This race is not about covering 7,000 meters. It is to give awareness about 7,000 identifiable rare diseases. The people are suffering from these rare diseases. We know the struggle of these rare diseases, day-to-day struggle, and the diagnosis of these rare diseases, and the investigations and management. And we know that the management of this rare disease is very difficult. It is difficult. So let's run today. So let's run for the cause. Let's run for the rally. Thank you very much.
Good morning. So how's the Josh? We are all here for two reasons. One, we are getting to run, and we are getting to run for a cause. It's a noble cause. Around 8 to 10 crores of Indians are actually suffering from rare diseases. So our run is not a run, just not a run today. It's going to display our solidarity for the people who are suffering with a rare disease and their families, health status, and hope this initiative will help the government and the research orientation towards the drugs manufacturing for rare diseases. Thank you and have a nice run.
for Rare Everywhere, which once started in one city, is happening right now at 21 plus cities. And with this, I must say, Ordi, it has been a proud moment for them where the vision to raise awareness about rare disease is expanding widely. So Race for 7 campaign is generally remembered on 29th of Feb. So because it's a leap year and this is not a leap year, that's the reason it is decided to be celebrated every last Sunday of the month of Feb. And this is the 10th edition that is happening overall, but it's the debut race that is happening in Mangalore. So it is really a proud moment, and thank you all for coming here. We look forward to your extended support in the future years as well. It means a lot to the team. Alright, so moving on, without much further ado, I request Namrata Shekhar from Zoe's Fitness to come forward and take a Zumba session. Thank you.
Good morning. This energy is not at all. Please come forward. Please come forward. Yes. Okay. So I just want you all to keep moving. You might find few steps difficult. That's absolutely fine. This is just a warm-up session. Yes? And I want you all to make some noise and enjoy. Yes? Yes? Okay, so let's begin.
Happy to discover all the goodness in me, since my life has never been the same. Jumping, jumping higher, and touch the sky.
मुंह से सीटी बजे हाथ से ताली लड़की देखी मुंह से सीटी बजे हाथ से ताली सपना आईना उस्मा आई लो थोड़ी आले आले मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी मैं अनाड़ी तू खिलाड़ी मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी मैं अनाड़ी
Change on the side. Stretch forward. And relax. Hunch your back. Squeeze your abs. Come up. One more. Up, hold. Down. Side. Other side. Stretch your hands. Change. Back. your legs, put out. Other side. Up, hold. Other leg. Back. Stretch nicely. Other leg. Yes. Shake your hands. Shake your legs. Stretch. Up. Down. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. And breathe out. Yes. Thank you so much. All the very best. Guys, how was the session? How was it? Yes, thank you so much. You guys did a nice job. All the very best once again.
Apart from their programs that they specialize in agriculture and rural development, they have extended their support this time for the rare disease cause, and we would like to thank Vikram sir, who is the managing director of Arunya Foundation. Thank you for your support, sir. He's also part of the team. And also I would like to inform that we have a team of 15 bikers, Reshma Kotian and team from Tulunadu riders, and they are our guiding partners, riding for a cause, Kai Jodisi for join hands. So these two teams have come forward here to extend their support as well. So they will be leading. Yes, we have them here. Thank you for coming here, ma'am. We are really very honored to have you here.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, yes.
Public school. You have a first hydration point right opposite to the entrance of Enapoya. I believe a lot of you are looking from there. Go down. The second U-turn, also where our volunteers are, is where you have to take a U-turn and come back to Enapoya. Right here is your ending point. Okay? This is done with honey, and I'm sorry, I'm having lack of information on that. Really sorry. But please, I would like you all to come and have a breakfast right here. Everything is going to happen right here. So we have our Tulunad bikers who will be leading you all. Wish you all good luck once again. We have Rita ma'am. I would like to call Santosh Rai, Dr. Santosh Rai also to come forward and join Rita Kulkarni ma'am to flag off. Krishnanand sir. Ready, everybody? Give me breakfast in number 5, 4, 3, 2, and
1. ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ರೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 7 ಇವೆಂಟನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ರೇರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರುಣ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎನಪಯ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ರೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 7ನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ 7 ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 7 ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್. ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಆಫ್ ರೇರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸಲ್ಲಿ 7,000 ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳು ಇಷ್ಟ ತನಕ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಿಂಬಾಲಿಕ್ ರನ್ ಏನಂತೇಳಿದರೆ 7,000 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 7,000 ಡಿಸೀಸಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ ನೀವು ಓಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಓಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ 21 ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಿಟಿಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಟಿಗಳು. ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ, ಇದು ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ 10ನೇ ಎಡಿಷನ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಆಯೋಜಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲು ಏನೇನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು 2014ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಿಟಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯನ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ರನ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬೈಕರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಡೀ ಎನ್ಎಫ್ಐಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಟೀಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದೆ. NSS ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ AMC ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಇದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ORDIನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ 2-3 ಅಂಶಗಳು. ಇದು ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತರಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಜರ್ನಲಿಸ್ಟು ಅಥವಾ ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಯೂರೋಕ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಂದು ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಥವಾ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಗಳಿದೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅವರ ಲೈವ್ಲಿಹುಡ್ಡಿಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಪೋಲಿಯೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಲೈವ್ಲಿಹುಡ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ವೊಕೇಶನಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರ ವೃತ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನ. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಹೇಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಸಲ 7 ವರ್ಷ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಗುವಾಗ. 7 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಆ ರೋಗದ ಉಲ್ಬಣತೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸಿಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಪದ್ರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆನಂತರ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ಚರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ವೀಲ್ ಚೇರಿಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಆನಂತರ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದ ನಂತರ ಅವರು ಬೆಡ್ ರಿಡನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚ್ಚರಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಹೋದ ನಂತರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಲೈವ್ಲಿಹುಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾದೊಂದು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದರಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ರೇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 7 ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Good morning everyone. It is a Ordi race for 10th edition and 7th race for. It's for a rare everywhere. It is called maybe a rare disease which we could not identify that. If I am right, that is for that race only. It is a debut race. It's not exactly a race, it is an awareness program to give awareness on these type of rare diseases. To aware of this, and if you found anything like this, you please approach our the doctors for immediate relief. Please give more awareness on this everywhere through social media, and I congratulate to each and every one of the NFOI and other institutions have come together to provide this awareness. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.